Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature the 7 surprising blogging tips I use to connect with my customers and prospects. And also, do you know these 7 jaw-dropping ways your business can benefit from your blog? The main way that blogging helps your business to attract customers is by creating a message that positions your business as an object that the consumer can trust. No matter how small your business is, you can build trust and influence in your industry by providing valuable and expert insight in your blog posts. Over time, you become a source of useful and informative content, which can ultimately lead to higher customer conversion rates. To truly leverage your content and attract new customers from your blog, you need to engage with your readers. Engagement is the key to long-term success. Unlike other parts of your website, customers can view and read but cannot comment. Your blog allows them to respond to your thoughts with comments or questions. In addition, you can use your blog to create content that your audience can share through their links. If your blog content is interesting, compelling, and useful, other website content will link back to your website, thereby improving your ranking. Always consider how to link to your blog and website, such as how to connect with influential people or post on other popular blogs. Perhaps the most important reason why a blog is important is that it enables you to create relevant content for your target audience. When you have a blog, you can not only post great content, but you can also bring people back to your website. Every time you write a blog post, you create content that people can share on social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, which helps introduce your business to new audiences who may not know you yet. Blog content can also help maintain your social media image. Your blog can serve as a content repository for your social media posts. An effective blog will help you attract and grow potential customers and continue to attract existing customers. In addition to reaching the right customers at the right time, blogs can also bring more revenue to your business. Blogs can help you connect with existing customers and attract new customers, no matter what products you sell. 7 blogging tips I use to connect with my customers and prospects. Here are my 7 tips to help you create an effective blog that will appeal to your potential clients. My favorite 7 tips for blogging success. Be creative. Incorporate visuals. Check your formatting. Optimize for mobile, very important. Offer benefits to the reader. Befriend other bloggers. I do this a lot on Medium, aka engagement. Be consistent. I try to post an article on Medium at least 5 days per week. Very important to post your Medium articles regularly. Click here for more details on these 7 awesome tips for your blogging success. This is the URL. https://www.zenbusiness.com/blog/blogging tips/ 7 ways your business can benefit from your blog. Below are 7 blogging tips on how a blog can help your business, as well as a link to more details on these tips, plus real-world blogging examples that can grow your business right now. Increase traffic to your site. Attract new customers. Expose your business to the reader seeking fun. Show and tell what your business can do. Give your business results long after the initial post. Build your network within your niche. Build a flow of trust. Click here for more details on the tips plus the real-world blogging examples that can grow your business right now. This is the URL. https://www.searchenginejournal.com/business benefits of blogging /3777747 #close. The takeaways. If you fill your blog with relevant content, you will get more website traffic, improve search engine optimization, position yourself as a leader in your field, improve relationships with customers, create content and potential customers for social media, and ensure long-term repeat visitors to your blog or website. With a blog and some interesting samples of your writing style, aka blog posts or articles, you can easily create an impressive portfolio and recommend your customers and prospects to check out your work samples. Most importantly, a blog can help you prioritize SEO, create a more engaging website, and tell important stories to build meaningful connections with your audience. I hope you have found my podcast to help answer your questions concerning the 7 blogging tips I use to connect with my customers and prospects, and more. Please share your sentiments in the comments section below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.